Whoa, hang a banger. Can we correct something real quick? Social media manager and content creator are two separate jobs. I was going through Indeed, looking at my options in life, and I saw a job posted. I'm not going to say what the business was, but they were offering £28,000 to £30,000 a year for a social media manager role. But within that job description, they kind of slyly included content creation. And I had a problem with that because as someone who creates content but also manages various social media profiles, both of my own and of various clients, I am very, very well aware that a Monday to Friday, 40-hour-a-week job, both producing content, whether it's video content, photo content, graphic content, text content, and uploading it to social media platforms, and managing those social media platforms, and scheduling the content to go out on those social media platforms, and keeping track of the analytics and breaking those numbers down to make sense to someone who isn't involved in this process. That kind of work goes far beyond £28,000 to £30,000 a year because, as I said, those are two separate jobs. Even content creation by itself. The reason why I'm able to make these kinds of videos very quickly is because I've got more than 12 years of experience working with media production. Add on top of that as well the fact that I own all of my equipment and I own all of my software, my media production software that allows me to edit photos, edit videos, produce the content into a format that viewers appreciate viewing, that followers follow your account for. There was no mention in the job description of the employer providing an upfront grant for an employee to be able to acquire this equipment and acquire the equipment that they need to do the job that they're being employed for. Please don't get it wrong. If someone offered me £30,000 a year to create content for them full time, I would love that. But as someone who has as much experience as I have, I can confidently say I am not going to spend 40 hours a week creating content for a single business and providing the social media management services that they kind of expect from that job role. At my current rates, if I was to do the work that they were asking for in the job description, both the content creation and the social media management for 40 hours a week, 5 days a week, I would be charging £52,000 a year for those services because, like I said, it's two jobs rolled into one. I needed to say this, I needed to get it out because I feel so passionately about both the content creation process, the kind of how it gives any individual the freedom to be able to present themselves in a manner that they choose to, but also it allows me to kind of speak up on how social media platforms change so rapidly that a person with a bachelor's degree, by the time that they've acquired their degree, the social media platforms have changed. The algorithm has changed, the layout has changed, the tools available from this private company has changed. So yeah, that's what I had to say on that. Peace.